Making a stand, understanding the phrase in English. Hello, and welcome to today's English language learning video. Today, we're diving into the interesting English phrase, to make a stand. This expression is not only common but also quite powerful in conveying a specific message. So, let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your everyday English. Remember, understanding such phrases can significantly enhance your language skills. To make a stand is an idiomatic expression in English. It means to take a firm position or to hold firm against something or someone. It often implies a sense of bravery or resistance, especially in the face of adversity or challenge. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from personal situations to public events. It conveys the idea of not just holding an opinion, but being willing to actively defend or assert it. The phrase, to make a stand, has historical roots. It originally referred to military situations, where soldiers would literally stand their ground against the enemy. Over time, the phrase evolved to be used metaphorically, signifying a stand against non-physical adversaries, like policies, beliefs, or societal pressures. This historical context adds a layer of depth and strength to the phrase. 1. Personal conviction. If someone says, "I need to make a stand on this issue," they mean they need to assert their beliefs or opinions firmly. 2. Social movements. When used in a social context, like, "They made a stand for human rights," it means taking action in support of a cause. 3. Workplace scenarios. In a professional setting, saying, "She made a stand against the unfair policy," refers to opposing or resisting workplace practices. When using "to make a stand," it's important to understand the context. It's best used when referring to actions or decisions that involve moral or ethical conviction. Avoid using it for trivial or everyday decisions. For instance, saying, "I'm making a stand on what to eat for dinner," would be an inappropriate use of the phrase. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of "to make a stand." This phrase is a powerful tool in your English language arsenal, perfect for expressing conviction and resistance in the face of challenges. Use it wisely and watch your language skills grow. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful English language learning content.